Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can update drivers on your Windows 10 and Windows 11, how you can update any drive. So let's get started and see how you can do it. So first go to Start and then type in Device Manager like this and click on this Device Manager. Best match will be that one. And now once we're here, let's say for example you don't have drivers for display adapters, which is graphics card, and if for some reason you don't have for it, you right click on it and click on update driver, and after that you can automatically search for drivers. Windows will search for it. If you have drivers downloaded from the internet, then you can browse my computer and you can manually install them. So I'm going to show you now for automatically drivers. So just click on it, and as you can see I have the best already installed. So that means I have installed currently the best drivers, so I don't need to do this, but in case it will be a setup for you, just click next here and follow all the steps that needed. And here browse my computer. This will be manually, you will choose here, click on browse, and you will choose the manually for your AMD drivers. Now if you, in case you want to see which date are the driver, if they are the latest or not, right click on properties. My drivers are, as you can see, they are old, but this is because I have, and this is because I love the older AMD graphics card drivers, and that's why I have the older one. But in case if you see this is older, then you can definitely go and click on update driver, and it will update to the latest one if there's available any driver. So that's pretty much it how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial was useful for you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.